Welcome to the Triflex HX1 video series. In this video series, we will be covering unboxing, exterior features, dust container and filters, storage and charging, assembly, operation, and cleaning of the Triflex HX1 cordless bagless vacuum. In this video segment, we will discuss unboxing of the Triflex HX1 vacuum. To begin, I'll carefully open the box. Inside, I'll find the operating instructions. At the front of the box, you'll find the suction tube. Lift it out and remove it from its protective wrapping. Here we have the battery. And you can see that we have the three accessory tools: the upholstery tool, crevice tool, and dusting brush. With the top styrofoam removed, you can now see the power unit along with the dust container, which contains the pre-filter, fine dust filter, and motor pre-filter. We also have the tool holder. And we have the battery charger. Here we have the wall bracket. The wall bracket can be used to store the assembled vacuum. And we have the operating handle. Since it's an electro version, the power switch is located here. And finally, we have the electro brush. Accessories may vary by model. Please refer to your operating instructions for details regarding your specific vacuum.